Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your business account into personal account on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then you just have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And from here, just tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for settings. And now you can see this account option here. So if you just tap on this account, now you have to scroll down all the way bottom and you can see these options, switch account type. So if you tap on this switch account type, you can see these options, switch to business account and switch to personal account. So you want your personal account, tap on this switch to personal account, tap on switch to personal account again, and your account is switched to personal now. You can see now our account is personal. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.